So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book a business class seat on the Air Canada app. So once the Air Canada app is opened up, go to the bottom left and select book. Once you're here, select your type of flight, so a round trip, one-way, multi-city. I'll use one-way for this example, and then where it says departure, select where you're departing from. So if you wanted to leave from Pearson, maybe you're going to Calgary as an example, you can do that. And if you wanted to book a flight on the 27th, for example, you can choose your depart date. Where it says passengers, that's how many passengers are going to be attending. And then right beside that where it says cabin, go ahead and select business class right here, and then press continue. This can also change later, but once this is good to go to the bottom and search one-way flights. Once you're on this page right here, you can view the flights that are being offered, and it is going to be from business class only right here. So, for example, if you just wanted to look at the first flight right here, you can then see the business class options. So, there's standard business class and there's latitude business class. So, whatever one you're looking for. But if you want to go ahead and just book a standard one, you can press that, then go to the bottom right and press continue. Once you're on this page right here, you're able to view the flight time, the passenger details, the payment method, so a credit card or your wallet balance, as well as the summary. And if this looks good to go to the bottom, press accept and book to proceed with the booking of your business class flight ticket. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to book a business class seat on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.